This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Saturn S series, and what we're doing today is we are removing the front seats. Now the front seats are held down by external Torx headed bolts. Now it's an E10. Now you can use, what I'm using here is a 6.8 millimeter socket, and it will work. Now there are 4 bolts that hold the seat down. Now this is one of the front bolts. This 6-pointed socket does work. 8 millimeter. Okay, there's one. Here, this is the other front bolt. And we'll just buzz that out. I believe they use Loctite on the bolts. They're both the front ones. Now to get out the back bolts, what we're going to do is we're going to slide the seat forward, and then we're going to remove the seat belt from the seat, and then we're going to take the seat back and then move it forward. Now we have enough room to get at the 2 bolts back here. Yes, they are on there. Okay, this is the last bolt. Now that we got the bolts out, the seat should just come right out. Twist it a little bit, and there is one Saturn seat. Now's a good time to clean the carpet underneath the seat. So that's all there is to removing a front seat from your Saturn S series.